At Plasmidsaurus, we offer flexible microbiome sequencing services for any microbiome workflow. Send us raw biological samples, and we'll do all the processing for you. On the Plasmidsaurus website, choose an order name and a name for each of your samples. You'll get a 6-character order ID that you'll use to label your tubes. You can find guidance on how much sample you need on the Plasmidsaurus website. For example, 100 to 250 milligrams of soil. For biosafety reasons, environmental samples need to be stabilized in Zymo DNA shield and shipped in a 2 ml screw cap tube. Label your tubes with the first 2 characters of your order ID and the sample number. If your tubes aren't already opaque, wrap them up in aluminum foil. Environmental samples need extra layers of security for shipping. Put your tubes inside something rigid like a falcon tube and then double bag them. Print out a copy of your order form and put it inside the outer bag so that the QR code is visible. Put it all in a padded envelope or cardboard box and ship it to our Oregon lab. And that's it. The microbiome sequencing results will be ready in a few days. I get an automatically generated microbial community profile for each sample. It shows the most common species and their relative abundance. If I want to go deeper, I can download the full report with all the raw reads and taxonomy tables. That was easy. Thank you, Plasmidsaurus.